Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by identifying where Windows is storing the key. Sign into the Microsoft account used on the Dell because personal Bitlocker keys most often sync there. If this is a corporate device, sign into your Azure AD or Work/School portal instead. While signed out, note the device name and the recovery key ID shown on the locked screen. You'll need that to match the numeric key. Once done, move to Account Recovery Pages to retrieve the exact 48-digit key string. Next, search the account you confirmed for the stored Bitlocker key. In a personal Microsoft account, go to Devices, select the problematic Dell, then view Recovery Keys and find the 48-digit key that matches the recovery key ID. For Azure AD or Intune managed machines, use the Azure portal's device list or Intune Blade to view recovery keys tied to that device. Make sure you match the exact recovery key ID. Once matched, copy the numeric key carefully. Spacing doesn't matter, but digits must be correct. Finally, use the retrieved 48-digit key at the Dell's Bitlocker recovery prompt to unlock Windows 11. Once unlocked, immediately suspend Bitlocker or decrypt if you need to change authentication, and confirm your Microsoft or Azure AD sync settings so future keys remain accessible. If the key isn't in any account, pause. Collect the recovery key ID, device serial and account details, and escalate to your organization's IT. They can extract keys from Active Directory or Intune. This prevents repeated lockout.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.